Good morning, class. Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to start a topic that is very important for our civics subject. I hope all you are listening. So the topic is government. We all know something about government, but we don't know the types and the levels that that is some detail of the government topic. आज हम शुरू करेंगे ताकि हम ये जान पाए कि गवर्नमेंट किस तरह की होती है, क्या उसके लेवल्स होते हैं और वो कैसे वर्क करती है. द फर्स्ट कंटेंट इज व्हाट इज गवर्नमेंट. अ गवर्नमेंट इज एन इंस्टीट्यूशन और अ सिस्टम मेड ऑफ अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल दैट टेक्स केयर और मैनेजेस अ कंट्री और अ स्टेट. इट मीन्स गवर्नमेंट एक इंस्टीट्यूशन है और अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल और यू कैन से अ total administration who works together to run a country, to manage a country, to take decision for a country and so on. It also includes, it makes law, rules and regulation, collect taxes and prints money. These all things are also the work of government. Next is what is the importance of government. As you can see that government for running a country, government is very important. Without a government, the rules will not be followed in a country. So next is need and importance of a government. Governments are necessary to maintain law and order. The government provides safety and security for its people. The government is responsible for providing infrastructure like schools, hospitals, roads, and other necessities of the society. गवर्नमेंट एक ऐसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो सिर्फ कंट्री को चलाने के लिए या फिर कंट्री को रन करने के लिए नहीं बनाई जाती है. ये इसलिए भी बनाई जाती है ताकि अगर सोसाइटी को, अगर कंट्री के लोगों को कुछ जरूरतें हैं तो वो जरूरतें उनकी पूरी की जाए, प्लस उनकी सेफ्टी, उनकी सिक्योरिटी के लिए भी काम किया जाए. So these things are the importance and need of government. Without government, we cannot afford to do all these things. The next is types of government. Basically, the government is divided into three types: autocracy, democracy, oligarchy. ये तीनों टाइप्स गवर्नमेंट के डिफरेंट हैं और इनको हम डिटेल्स में अगली स्लाइड में पढ़ेंगे. I will tell you about these three. First is autocracy. When a state or a country or an organization is controlled by one person, in this only one person is authorized to make decisions for all. Have you ever heard about Hitler, Adolf Hitler, Napoleon? These are the autocrats that ruled a country or an entire continent just single-handedly. So you can say that autocracy के कुछ examples हैं Bonaparte, Napoleon and Adolf Hitler. And as you can see, there is a picture of Adolf Hitler. And next is democracy. When a state or a country or an organization is run by the leader that is chosen by the people of that country, state or organization. As you are an Indian, so you know that in India we always held elections for choosing our prime minister or our state ministers and other members of parliament. So India is a democratic country, and here the people are responsible for choosing a leader, and this type of government is called democracy, where all the power is in the hand of public or the citizens of that country. Now next is oligarchy. When a state or organization or a country is run by a group of people, then it is called oligarchy. बेसिकली ओलिगार्की में क्या होता है, जब एक ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल, एक सर्टेन ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल एक पूरी कंट्री को चलाते हैं, एक पूरी कंट्री को रन करते हैं, उनके लिए डिसीजंस लेते हैं और उनका सारा काम करते हैं, देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज ओलिगार्कियल गवर्नमेंट. We can take as example Russia. The Russian Federation is an oligarchy country where Putin is ruling from I think decades, and Putin is the leader with some other group members that runs Russian Federation. So these are some examples of autocracy, democracy, and oligarchy. I hope you can understand the meanings of these three types of government. Now let's talk about the level of governments. There are three level in governments. जब हम एक कंट्री को चलाते हैं तो हम एक जगह पे बैठ के अकेले सब कुछ हैंडल नहीं कर सकते. So we need to distribute the government in levels. It is important to know all the aspects, all the areas of our country, that what is happening in our country. And it is not possible for a single government to handle all these things. So in all the types of government, the government is divided into three levels, that is local level or district level, second is state level, third is central level or national level. I will elaborate these three levels shortly. फर्स्ट लोकल लेवल और डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल वो होता है जो आप वो करते हैं क्लास में, जब आप अपने डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल की चीजों में इन्वॉल्व होते हैं और वो एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट पे ही आप अपना सारा काम खत्म करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल यू कैन टेक पंचायती मुखिया और ग्राम पंचायत. these are the examples of local level or district level government. State level में आते हैं आपके chief minister and the state, like the chief minister of Jharkhand, the chief minister of New Delhi, the chief minister of Uttar Pradesh. These are the examples of state level. And central level is the prime minister of India, or the level of government that is running the national level. And this is the recapitulation. And first we will summarize the topic. What is government? Government is an organization that is made to run the company, run a country, and it has three types: autocracy, democracy, and oligarchy. Autocracy is a type of government in which only one person is responsible for the decision making. In democracy, all the power is in the hand of people of that country. They chose their leader, and they are responsible for their for choosing their leader. The third one is oligarchy, and in oligarchy a group of people is responsible for making decision for their country. Now this is recapitulation. So I would like to all of you to write about the current government of our country and mention some recent works done by the government in your own words. Thank you, class. शिट, ए भगवान, अभी भी हो रहा है ये.